What is up, Fan Family Channel? Welcome back to the channel for another video. In this video, we are going to be, well, I guess you can guess what is going on. That is the box to the Alaska fan that just went up today for video. And we're going to do a little unboxing of the crap. If you check out my other channel before, the Force Spinner channel, that'll mean you'll know what is going on here. And you'll know what is in this box. Well, I'll tell you now what's in this box. We have a broken aerospeed box fan that I got for like $26.99 at the Tractor Supply store nearby. And it's a piece of trash. I mean, the motor is flawless, but the blades are trash. I tried to take it off to show everybody what kind of motor it's got and whatnot, and the blades broke. Like, where it actually attaches, it actually shattered. It just broke. So, what we're going to do in this video is we're going to steal some parts from this fan, because I'm going to rebuild my Galaxy box fan as at my childhood house currently, and we're going to like rebuild the motor. We're going to like put a new motor in it, because the other motor quit on me, so it hasn't been on for like years. Or just a couple of years, but we're gonna fix it when we get there Friday. If I can get this guy out. Just pulled it out from over there, and alright guys, so I did pull it out. So as you can see, I was able to get it out. I was a little bit stuck in there, but look what I'm talking about. Like, see, it's trash. It's done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna steal some parts. This is gonna be just a parts fan now. We're not gonna use the grill or the rear grill, but we're gonna steal the screws from it. We're gonna steal the power cord, as well as the switch and the switch control module inside, and the motor. Now I'm thinking these two motor mounts in the back. So I'll get that I almost called it Alaska. Get the Galaxy fan back in use for the summertime. And yeah, so let's just unscrew these, because we're gonna need the screws for the front grill and the rear grill, because the Galaxy box fan is missing a ton of screws. Get you after. Oh, there you go. Okay. Screws are loosened. Let's just pop these little guys out and make a little pile over here of all the screws together. The fronts and the rears are all the same size, except a couple of screws are not the same size. So, found that weird. Put the grill right there. There we go. That broke. Here's the part that broke, pretty much. That broke off the blades. These blades, see, guys, these are wicked flimsy. This is not even sanded plastic. Like, look at that. You can bend it all the way back, no problem. So it's trash. But the screws are not, and the motor is not trash. And the motor mounts are not trash. So, it's a brand new fan. Pretty much. Brandy new. So, we get the motor here. Get the switch. So, it's in really flipping good condition, and yeah, so thinking about just removing the switch module, and there's our capacitor. We're gonna remove all that together. Keep the frame. pretty dang good Walmart drill. Pretty dang good cordless Walmart power drill. It's been charged. Battery hasn't died on me in like weeks and weeks, and I use this thing like almost every night. It's a little dirty in the back, but again, we're not using that part of the grill, so we're not using any of the grill actually, because it's unneeded. We already have the 2 grills for the fan. Appears to be a bit stuck on there. They did a pretty poor job making this. Alright, this is what I'm talking about when I come to motor mounts, but I don't think we're going to be able to take these. They're not the old-fashioned ones that are just screwed on. But we are taking, you know what, this can make it easier to get the, you can see it's really cheaply made, but it's going to be easier to get the cord out because it's not glued on in there. And we'll just be able to take it right out. Take the motor out. You want to screw these right back into the motor once you take it out, so you don't lose them. And be careful with the motor too. You don't want to drop it, damage it. I love doing a fan teardown. It's fun. There you go. Alright. Just carefully remove this insulation. Insulated wire. Bend that stuff back. Alright. Like wicked easy, a little aluminum to bend back. This is like an aluminum case, so there you go. I'm sure I'll be able to get the motor to fit just fine. Alright, we need to pull this off though. That was really easy. We can make do. I may not be able to use the same switch. Whatever. There we go. Look what we just got here. About a pound later. Just a naked box fan now. And you want to try to keep these little insulation caps on, like little plastic washers. I know they look pointless. We'll gently screw this in. You don't want to thrust it in. Just in enough where it's not going to fall out on you. Yeah, you want to try to just, because if you lose these screws, you're in trouble, because what are you going to screw the motor in with? If they're not the same set of screws. Okay. Got the switch here. It's unique for sure. This is a motor, guys. So yeah. This is what I want to do here is I'll plug this motor in just to verify that it's working. I was gonna tear this down anyway. Sand. Okay. It's working. This motor is by Cam Air, so it's pretty cool. Here. Cam AR. So, yeah, it works. Goody goody. See that? Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is just put you back in your box. The blades I'm gonna display somewhere. Right? My goodness. Wow. You kind of force it in there. If it went in then, it can go in now. Alright. Just gonna stuff it back in here. Then the screws, well, you know, I'm gonna put this on display. I'm just gonna set it up here for now. I don't like how it covers the license plate, but whatever. Oh, that's freaking dangerous. Pick up all these screws. I don't want to lose these. Okay. Got all the screws. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them for now. Let's keep them up on the hutch for now. Right there. And the motor. I'll take care of that after. But I'm going to close out this video right here. As always, don't forget to subscribe on this video if you enjoyed it. Or, oh, what the heck's my thing? Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the notification bell. And leave a comment, feedback, comment section, feedback section. Don't forget to keep it breeze.